this is going to be my first one of this series. It's mystery face makeup. I've gone through all my makeup and I've listed it and numbered it by each section. And instead of just doing eyeshadows, I've done my whole makeup collection, and I go through and I input 1 to whatever the end number is on that section, hit a random number, and that's what I use out of that section. So everything is literally randomly chosen for this look. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna do it all on camera, but I thought I'd explain this to you since this is the first one. It is all a mystery. Everything that's going on my face, I did not pick out. It was a random number that picked it. So this should be really fun. This could go either way. This could be really good, or this could be really bad. But let's get into it. Okay, I'm back. We're gonna start out with, this is my NYX eyeshadow base, and it's white. Wow. The next was my Manny MUA palette from Geek. There's 9 shadows in here, so I'm gonna choose 3. So I have this random number thing. So it's minimum 1. There's 9 shadows. So min 1, max 9. So the first shadow is gonna be number 6, which will be this one, because we start over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. I hit randomize again. 3, which is this color, so 3, 6. Again, 2, 2, 3, and 6. So I'm gonna take this first shadow and I'm gonna work it into my crease and kind of all over as a base color, because that's a really good base color. 2, 3, 6. Making sure it's even. I'm just gonna take this color right here. Here's the look so far. This was the random face setting spray that I, randomly chose for me. Studio Selections Aloe Cucumber Hydrating Facial Mist. I really like this one. It smells really good too. We are going to dip the brush first, then take the spray. So far, that's what it looks like. I'm just going to take a little product and just go back over it to blend it together. I'm going in with eyeshadow number 6. Really doesn't seem to be much darker. What I'm gonna do is, the eyeliner that was randomly chosen for me was my Clinique Black Denim Khol eyeliner. You can tell it's been well loved. But I'm just gonna take the eyeliner to darken the corner. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand, that way I have more control over it. Make sure it's clean. I'm just gonna dip into that and put it on the corner of my eye. picked, so. Now I just need to go back in and blend it all together. Same brush without putting any more product on it. And dipping back into it. I'm just gonna line the outer part of my eye. With liner, I also like to line the top part of my eyes. I just take the liner, set it in, and run it along. That way I don't poke myself in the eye. Next, we're gonna go in with this base. It's a Soft Glow Illuminator by Hard Candies. It's the Sheer Glow. This product, I don't know if they sell it anymore, but I love this product for a while. It's for your face and body, but I use it as a primer because it has such a soft glow to it. I am going to go in with my concealer, but because it's a color correcting sealer, I want it under my foundation. Hard Candies Color Correct Cushion Wonder. So this isn't normally what I pick. Again, this is great because it allows me to use products that I haven't used in a while. Oh! To get anything out of it, you have to turn it on to squeeze it. There we go. Uh-oh. I'm not gonna put as much on this eye. That actually really did well. I like that. So next, the foundation that was picked out for me was It Cosmetics. The sample that I have, it's in medium, so it may be a little dark. Was funny because I have sample powder too, so it's both It Cosmetics that I'm using on my face. I've never used these before, so this is the Bye Bye Pores Press Powder. I think I got it in an Ipsy bag. And then this is the Your Skin But Better CC Cream Color Correcting Full Coverage. So we're gonna try this out. Feels very silky. This is going in like a dream. I need to work on my lighting. I look like I've been painted. I love you too. I got a sticky tip up my nose to kind of blend it up my nose too. That was a good sample. Okay, so for powder, it is the Bye Bye Pores Pressed. So we see I've got pores because everybody's got pores. I'm just gonna dip. So we're just gonna tap the excess off, and I'm just gonna press this into my skin. Since I used a more dense one to push it in, I'm using my big old powder brush. I'm just gonna swipe it. I'm gonna do the brows and then finish my eyes. LA Colors Browy Wowie Brow Pencil. And it's got the nice triangular shape for the brows. But I'm gonna work with it. I'm just gonna roll with it. And I'm just gonna go in with darker color, 6. And I'm just gonna push that up under my eyes. Now we're gonna go in for contour. It's Winky Looks, but it's in the color Deep. So this is gonna give us a very light contour. I'm just gonna go in with this flat top. My Tarte Flush, but it's a pink colored blush. The numbers were in my favor today where it didn't look so bad. I'm fully expecting that there's going to be a look where the eye looks great, but none of the face products look good together. So my highlighter is this Wet n Wild cushion, and I'm just going to do the tops of my cheeks because I've never used it before. There it is, it's really pretty. Okay, before I put my mascara or my lipstick on, I'm gonna set my face with this hydrating spray. And then for my lip products, my lip liner is Bare, and this one is Rimmel's Pink Chic. So at least these two are workable, and it wasn't like pink and Cabaret, which is a dark red. So I'm just gonna line my lips. Just gonna go with Pink Chic. But it's not bad together. I wouldn't have ever picked this stuff to go together. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyelashes. Right now the mascara, and the only reason I didn't put my mascara on the list is because mascara changes so often. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with my voluminous mascara. And there, that's the finished look. Actually, doesn't look too bad. I would say for a first mystery face, this one actually is a success. Turned out pretty good, so we'll see you next time. Bye. So this is without a filter. This is what the eye looks like. I just put another coat on to darken it up because it wasn't dark enough for me when I walked out of the room. That color of foundation actually worked quite well, but this is in the natural lighting of my house. There are no lights on out here, and I think it turned out really well. On that note, welcome to my life. Okay, did you flush?